You take the dog, I'll take the Galaxy 500. You get the cat, I get the couch you don't want anymore. You take the fish, I'll take a bowl. You take the dishes, while you're at it, take my soul. But things ain't so bad, 'cause I've got a Galaxy 500. I've got a Galaxy 500. Galaxy 500. In a Galaxy 500. Galaxy 500. I'm in my own galaxy. 1973. In my own galaxy. You probably would have wanted this too, but it's not air conditioned. No, it's not air conditioned.